60% in a single day. That's what $ZYBT just delivered before the closing bell. And folks, moves this explosive tell a story that's about to get louder at tomorrow's open. Today's after-market scan picked up 5 stocks, all running double their normal volume with catalysts building beneath the surface. If you're ready to spot these rockets before they launch, stick around. Welcome back to Pre-Market Rockets. Today's August 5th, 2026. And after-market trading just handed us a gift. 5 separate stocks hitting our AI momentum filter with scores between 50 and 57. What makes this unique? Minimal float, extreme relative volume, and price action that's still climbing hours after the regular session closed. When you see this pattern, the institutional pressure often spills into the open. Today we're tracking $ZYBT, $MGRX, $OESX, $FGMC, and $CELZ, all candidates for round 2 tomorrow morning. Let's break down each one. First, $ZYBT. This is our number 1 rocket with a 57 out of 100 momentum score and ASIXTY 0.2% gain. Sitting at $2.05. Volume is nuclear. 141 million shares with 2.0x relative volume on a 37.9 million float. That means the entire float turned over multiple times today. No catalyst on the news yet. But that volume doesn't lie. Entry is 2.05. Target 1 sits at $2.2342. Target 2 at $2.97. And your stop I. This is textbook pre-breakout setup. Next up, $MGRX. Score of 55. Up 52.8% to $0.70 exactly. 46 million shares of volume on a 13.7 million float. That's 2.0x RVOL and tells you institutional money is definitely looking at this one. Entry 0.6999. Target 1 at 0.78. Target 2 at 1.0498. Stop at 0.5137. Penny stock mechanics. But the volume profile is pristine. Third, $OESX. A 51 score explosive mover. Up 51.4% to $15.75. Now here's where it gets ICS. But the volume profile is pristine. Third, $OESX. A 51 score explosive mover. Up 51.4% to $15.75. Now here's where it gets interesting. Only 667,000 shares traded but 1.0x relative volume on a 3.2 million float. This is a micro cap, which means low volume can equal outsized moves. Entry at 15.75. Targets at 16.25 and 23.625. Stop at 15.3201. Watch the float on this one. Tight floats amplify moves. Fourth, $FGMC. Score 50. Explosive tier. Up. On this one, tight floats amplify moves. Fourth, $FGMC. Score 50. Explosive tier. Up 65.7% to $13.75. 2.2 million shares with 1.0x relative volume on an 8.2 million float. The highest percentage gain of our top 5. This stock is claiming the strongest intraday momentum. Entry 13.75. Target 1 at 16.5. Target 2 at 20.625. Stop at 11.6875. This is a full micro cap runner. And finally, $CELZ. Our fifth rocket. 50 score. Strong tier with a 38.9% guy. This is a full micro cap runner. And finally, $CELZ. Our fifth rocket. 50 score. Strong tier with a 38.9% gain to $0.912. 35 million shares traded. That's 2.0x relative volume on a 3.0 million float. This is a sub-dollar runner with serious after-hours interest entry 0.912. Target 1 at 1.06. Target 2 at 1.368. Stop at 0.7491. The smallest intraday move but strong volume confirms interest. Here's what to watch tomorrow at the open. First, gap confirmation. All 5 of these stocks have momentum that often continues or extends in the first 15 minutes of regular session. Watch for ZYBT to hold above $2.05. If it gaps up and takes out $2.23. Target 1 is in play before lunch. Second, relative volume on open. If you see volume dry up at the open, that's a sell signal. The move lasted 1 session. If it surges, we're into round 2. Third, watch for the catalyst reveal. Many stocks move on volume first. Then news drops later to explain it. By 9:35 a.m., we'll know if there's a catalyst or if this is pure technical momentum. Fourth, float lock. Micro caps like $OESX with 3.2 million shares can run for days if holders are stubborn. Check short float and insider ownership tomorrow morning. They matter. And fifth, test your entries. Don't chase from market open. Let price pull back to your entry. Confirm the level on volume. Then add on breakout. That's how you scale into runners without buying the absolute top. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. For the full breakdown of today's top rockets with real-time alerts when they trigger tomorrow, head to TDVW.com. Our team updates the momentum scanner every single night, so you wake up ready to trade the opens that matter. See you at the bell tomorrow. Let's chase it.